Hello. How are you?
I am well, thank you. So my name is Quiana. I live in the United States. I live in Virginia. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Washim and I am from Bangladesh.
Okay.
I thought you are B. Your
I'm sorry?
name is B, I thought.
It
I
actually
thought
says
your name is B.
it actually says QB.
B.
And it says QB and those are my initials.
Oh, your initial. That's good.
Yes, my initials. So but my first name is
And
Quiana.
I have yes, and I have found you to speak in English.
Yes.
Okay? And I wanted to introduce my younger brother,
Okay.
Fahim.
Okay. Hi.
Say hi.
Hello. How are you?
Well,
Very good.
Hello.
Hello, fine.
How are you?
Fine. You are?
Good. Yes, I am fine too.
Hi.
I'm fine.
Oh.
Fine.